Hey guys, night night. This is your boy Adrian from Elite Educators. It is almost 2 a.m. on Saturday, and the day that I'm recording this is actually the day that we're gonna launch it. So, for the last week, what we've been doing, we've been providing content on YouTube for our students so that they wouldn't miss out anything at all. Oh, guys, by the way, I'm actually using the screen recorder and the viewfinder. Okay, whenever we have a problem, we have to find innovative solutions. So I'm recording the whole screen so I could show you exactly what we're gonna do. So starting today will be the test day. So we will still for this entire week provide YouTube videos and we will record these meeting sessions. But from today, we're gonna use a program called Zoom to have live meetings and live workshops with our students via the internet. So trust me, it is way simpler than you guys think. So today, Miss Aruna, she'll be sending a link to you guys on WhatsApp. All you need to do is just click that link, download an app, and that's it. You guys join the meeting. I paid for the professional version of it, so we have like unlimited access up to 100 students. We could have meetings for 24 hours plus, which we're not gonna do. That's probably unhealthy. So without further ado, this is how you do it. So swipe up, you guys see, this is my iPhone that I don't ever use. So look at the WhatsApp. There's a message. What can it be? Boom. Oh, I should have censored this. Okay. I clicked this is the invitation that you guys will be seeing. So you guys see, join our Cloud HD video high def video meeting now. So Adrian Ramlal is inviting you to a scheduled Zoom meeting. So don't worry. Whatever time you are accustomed to sending your kids, your popos, you just log on at that time. So if you were there Saturday, 11 to 12:30, you log on 5 minutes to 11, and we'll be there from 11. If you're from the 2 to 3:30 Saturday, you log on 2 p.m. If you're on Sunday, you could log on 12 to 1:30, Sunday as well, the 2 to 3:30. We have space for up to 100 students. So if you can't make it at a particular day, just let us know and we will reschedule you to another meeting, right? So all you do, you see that link in blue? You just click that. Boom. Now, what happened on iPhone, they say can't open the page because we didn't install the app as yet. So on Android and on iOS Apple devices, it will more or less be the same. You'll see this blue icon with the little kind of camcorder thing. Just click view. I actually deleted it from the phone so I could show you guys. Number 1 in business, 4.6 star ratings, and most teachers out there, they use the free version. Come on, this is Elite Educators. We want high def. I didn't pay 10 grand for S20 Ultra for kids to see stuff in low definition. That is horrible. Have the best equipment available for you guys to make sure you're in. So I should have actually clicked that before. So you just click download, and I have Flow Internet, which I will actually be using a combination of Flow, B-Mobile LTE, and a couple other internet tricks and tips so that we'll be able to get faster internet tomorrow. Now, on my Android device, the Samsung S20 Ultra, I already have the meeting on. So if you're running a little bit late, you will already start to see video from it. Also, with the professional package, I could share PowerPoints, I could share videos, I have a whiteboard, I could do anything. So you just click open. This is just to make sure that the app, it works, right? So we open it and it is ready, it's on the ready screen. But now that we have the app, let's try the WhatsApp thingy again. So we go back in WhatsApp, but this time we are armed with the app. We already open the app. The app is already initialized. We just open the app just to make sure it is initialized, and we just click that. If you guys notice, I customized the meeting number to my phone number 868-486-6450. Enter your name. Now guys, this is important. We have a moderated, curated chat. What it means is that we want our students alone. If we have a lot of if we have people that not supposed to be there, it will take up our bandwidth. It will give your kids a less good experience. Okay, probably I should rephrase that. A worse experience. So we want our students, like I said, if you can't make a particular time, just let us know, and we will ensure that they could fit at the time. See, timer stop up there. Is it still recording? Okay, so I'll just put Adrian Ramlal. Remember, we have a couple of students with same names, so last name as well. Continue. Zoom would like to access the camera. Yes, why not? You can actually change your virtual background, which is kind of cool. You can join with or without video. You don't have to join with video. In this case, I'll join without